Hi, and welcome back to my Rising Fiddler channel. My name is Matteo Johnson, and I'm 8 years old. And I'm second Matteo Johnson. And today, I'll be showing you what Matteo Johnson can do. One thing Matteo Johnson can do is sit in one place for hours and hours and hours. She's still sitting there. I need to make her stand up. Go, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Oh, you're so heavy. She even sat on me. Matteo Johnson loves to read. Matteo Johnson even eats yogurt and granola. Eat it up. Matteo Johnson loves to brush her teeth. Matteo Johnson loves to play games. I won! Matteo Johnson loves to play violin. What are you playing today? Matteo Johnson loves to listen to music and sing. Matteo Johnson loves to watch TV. That's you. That's you. Matteo Johnson weighs about 5 pounds. Matteo Johnson is the most talented chicken ever. If this video gets to 50,000 likes, we'll do a part 3 for the talented bird. Matteo Johnson would be very happy if you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!